Do you know that over 70% of JAMB candidates scored below 200 in JAMB last year? And do you also know that only 29.3% of JAMB candidates were able to score above 200 last year? And the most shocking of them all, do you know that only 0.88% of JAMB candidates last year scored above 300? Now, let me tell you, there are three categories of JAMB candidates. We have the below 200 JAMB candidates, we have the above 200 JAMB candidates, and we have the exceptional candidates, which are the what above 300 JAMB candidates. Now, every student that is writing JAMB, you will be the one to determine what category you are going to fall under. Now, let me tell you the gospel truth. These two categories, I consider them average. This is poor and this is very average. Now, students that are found between this category, there's a way they behave. And the students that are found between this category, there's a way they behave. After watching this video, you will know where the category you belong. If you're watching this video and you know you're writing JAMB this year, and you know you've not started even opening your book, just know you are in this category. Don't even lie to yourself. Now, let me tell you the gospel truth. 90% of JAMB candidates only wait till it is 1 month to JAMB before they start opening their book to prepare. And that's why they all fall under this category. That's why the majority of JAMB candidates are in these two categories, because they wait till it is 1 month to JAMB before they start opening their books to read. Are you aware that almost all students pass through the secondary school and you spend 3 years in senior secondary school, right? SS1, SS2, and SS3. And in those 3 years, your teachers were not able to cover your syllabus very well in 3 years. But now you are preparing for JAMB and you want to cover all those syllabus in 1 month. This is why many students fail, because 1 month will never be enough for you to fully cover all the things you need to do to pass your JAMB very well. And that's why you see students writing JAMB 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Or that's why you see students, they apply for one course and the school gives them another course because they scored very low. That should not be you this year. I want you to make it a point of issue that this year you must do well in your JAMB compared to any other year. Now, if you are serious and you want to start preparing for JAMB, you want to start writing very, very well, you will message us immediately. There's a WhatsApp number. Message us WhatsApp number and join our online JAMB class that is already ongoing. Let me tell you the gospel truth. If you're watching this video now, just know that our class is already ongoing. Those few 0.88%, they are not waiting for you. They started preparing already. These people that will score above 300, they have started reading their books and preparing. They are not waiting for anybody. But the people that are in this category, they are still waiting for 1 month to go. They are still waiting for JAMB form to come out before they open their book to read. And that's why most of them fail. If you know that this year you want to get that course you applied for, medicine, anatomy, you want to get engineering, you want to get nursing, you want to get pharmacy, whatever course you're applying for, you will message this number now so we can add you to our special JAMB group where we're going to coach you. And when you see your result this year, you will know you did something different. Are we together? The person speaking to you here is someone that has failed JAMB as well. I wrote JAMB 4 times. I always tell my students, I'm not proud of it, but then I was passing through the cycle of it. I wrote JAMB 4 times before I got admission to the university. Yes, I was the first senior prefect in my secondary school to fail WAEC. So I know what failure is all about. Are we together? If you know you want to clear your JAMB this year, you will message us right now. Let us break that JAMB cycle this year and make sure that you get the course you're applying for. Send us the message now. Your journey to JAMB success begins now. See you in class.